So after guiding more than 1,000 people into teaching and building an online business, one of the things that I noticed that was really sparkling was the fact that people, when they came towards me to get access to a training program, they want to go from the mindset, they want to skip the mindset block of the videos to go directly onto the learning the skills, to learning the acquirement, the putting in practice of the skills. They just want to skip everything that has to do with the mindset shift that has to that the person who needs to do this business must have. They want to shift it and they want to go straight into the skill set necessary to be able to implement that thing. But this is the trap. The trap is at the level of skipping that particular set of videos to motivate you to constantly block into your mind the kind of behaviors you're constantly supposed to have in such a way that no matter the obstacles that come in front, you're always going to be ahead of it. You're always going to be doing the thing itself. So belief and the mindset is more important. The mindset, believing in whatsoever is going to be taught to you when it comes to making money online. The belief system or the mindset block of the program is far, far, far more important than the skills themselves, because you can have the skills. How many people have had projects and skills that they have been having for years and years and years, but because somebody told them, just because somebody told them that the project was not going to work and the project is too cumbersome and the project is too big, and hey, you do think you can do this thing, and then just because of that, they find themselves not doing anything because the mindset was broken down. So one of the main things that I actually encourage people to do in business is first of all have the mindset necessary to be able to implement the skills, and from the mindset now they can now move on to the skills, learning the skills, acquiring the skills, packaging the skills and selling it out there and doing whatever the skills that they have learned is actually going to be helping them to do. That is so important. But most people think they just want to skip the mindset block of the program to go straight forward to implementing the skills. So this is one of the problems I've noticed with a lot of people looking forward to getting programs out there, buying online courses, buying online programs, and because of the lack of mindset, they are not going to continue the videos from beginning to end. Imagine a program which consists of more than 60 hours of content you're supposed to go through. The vast majority don't even watch up to 5 hours, simply because their mindset, they skip the mindset program telling them exactly, even in war, even when there is war, there's always some kind of religious person, there's always some kind of person that is there to be motivating them. Why do people, for example, I've seen videos on YouTube in the military, when they go to the military, they shout at them, they speak with them with a lot of shouting and motivating and boosting their morale. That is only because the mindset. The moment they have the mindset in place, everything in place, it becomes now obvious reality for them to be able to implement whatever skills that they are going to learn from it. So this is the thing with mindset and the skill set. So mindset is far more important than skill set, but the moment you lack the skill set, you have to first of all go through the mindset, so really putting your mindset in place, and then you can take the time to learn the skills. Learning advertisement can take you 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours maximum to learn how to run advertisement, for example, on Facebook, to understand the platform, and so on and so forth. So it becomes easy. So, but if you want, for example, if you're out there and you really want to learn how to make money online by all these processes of making money online by selling digital products or physical products, or maybe learning a particular skill set and boost your mindset in anything, I created a program completely for free. Somewhere below this video, just comment info and I'll send it to you for free, or just click the link directly in the description. See you.